Hey guys, so it's Mia Sings 8/Mia Ice Meadows, and today I will be singing Set Fire to the Rain, and today I will actually have karaoke, so I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. If my heart, and as it fell, you also claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet, and decide to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games we play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face, while it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it scream out your name, your name. Late with you, I could stay there, close my eyes to hear forever. You and me again, nothing gets better. And there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face, while it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it scream out your name, your name. Fire to the rain, and I burst into the flames, while I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. I wake up by the door, I heard you gone, must be waiting for ya. And now I know already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face, while it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I burst into the flame, where I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn. Bye guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this video, by the way. I'm not trying to copyright anything because I sang all that, and I'm sorry if I sounded bad at some points or I had to take weird breaths. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more, and yeah, bye.